The human body is a marvelous creation. Every person's anatomy is unique to them. That's why understanding patient-specific anatomy with biomechanical precision is essential for healthcare professionals across the globe. Welcome to Lifelike Digital Anatomy Printing by Stratasys. 3D printing technology, software, and materials combine to create models that replicate close to the same biomechanical properties as human tissue and bone, giving you the power to create the most lifelike anatomical models available. Academic medical centers, hospitals, and medical device companies can create realistic testing environments and train in settings that are as close as you can get to the real thing. Experience the most consistent, accurate representation of your targeted pathology while suturing, cutting, inserting, and deploying devices. See how the artery moves as internal and external forces are applied with blood vessel material that mimics vessel complexities and degeneration with precision. And study the accurate biomechanical behavior associated with physiological and pathological characteristics. Experience the density properties of human bone, mimic porous bone structures, fibrotic tissues, and ligaments. Models behave like native bone when force is applied, such as discectomy, drilling, reaming, sawing, and pedicle screw insertion. Even tumors and infected tissues can be added to your bone or organ models in their accurate form, so healthcare professionals can experience the same tactile feedback when performing medical procedures with surgical instruments and devices. Study your patient's anatomy, then plan and execute your approach before ever stepping into an operating room. Reduce the need for cadavers, clean rooms, sterilization of tools, biohazard risk, and other valuable resources. The digital anatomy printer software has a preset anatomy menu with more than 100 options that allow you to print accurate, lifelike models in a few clicks by simply choosing the desired anatomy. Take a step into the world of lifelike anatomical printing. Digital anatomy printing technology. Better preparation, better outcomes.